In this video, I'll be visiting Railway 200's exhibition, which is surprisingly a train. Join me today as I explore this unique exhibition, featuring fun, interactive activities. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get on with the video. And in order to get up to Hertford East, I need to start here at Brimsdown. Brimsdown is a station on the West Anglia Main Line which sees Greater Anglia trains, running from London to my destination of Hertford East. This station also has lots of trains passing through, such as this Stansted Express train. And here is my train, a 5-car Class 720 Aventura. Built between 2018 and 2024, these trains are the workhorses of this route.
Welcome to the...
After departing Brimsdown, the train stops at several stations such as Cheshunt. And Broxbourne. Now, the train branches away from the West Anglia Main Line onto the Hertford East branch. And I'm now arriving at Hertford East. And welcome to Hertford East. And next to the Greater Anglia train is a brightly coloured train. Nothing too much. Right? Well, this is Railway 200's Inspiration Train. Curated in partnership with the National Railway Museum, the train comprises of eye-catching carriages that showcase the past, present and future of the railway, helping to attract the next generation of pioneering talent. The train consists of heavily modified Mark III carriages for the exhibition between two bright red Class 66 locomotives. I can already see why the carriages look so appealing. Just look at that magnificent livery. Turns out I viewed the train from the exit section. Now I need to head to the other side of the station in order to enter the exhibition. And here's the entrance with Railway 200 branding. At the ticket kiosk, I helped myself to a Railway 200 sticker. Wait a second, what even is Railway 200? Well, 2025 marks the 200th anniversary of the modern railway, inspired by the opening of the Stockton and Darlington Railway in 1825, a journey that changed the world forever. Under the banner of Railway 200, nationwide celebrations are planned throughout the year, showcasing how the railway shaped Britain and the world and how its pioneering pedigree continues today and is shaping tomorrow. Turns out the powerhouse of this exhibition isn't the locomotive, it's this carriage here. And it's time to head inside the exhibition. This is the first carriage in this exhibition, with the theme being Railway Firsts. and here I need to stamp a ticket in order to explore the carriage. And here it is. In the culture section, there are some artifacts on display documenting the first railway. And look, it's a drawing of the first train on the Stockton and Darlington Railway. And the first publications of British fiction. The story about the Channel Tunnel and high-speed railway in England. And here's the sound of a tunnel boring machine, or TBM, called Dorothy, working on high speed 2. And the first ever direct train from China to London. How incredible is that? A sad story about the first major railway bridge. And here is an example of the first ever telegraph. In this example, the needles point to the letters T, I, M and E to spell time. And some more firsts in electronics. And time as well, because back in the day, times in different areas used to be much different. And here's the first ever package holiday. And this section is about the first railway mass labourers. And it's time for a quiz. How many navvies were employed at the height of railway construction in the 1840s? How many miles of track did navvies lay before the First World War in 1914? For every mile laid, how many navvies lost their lives? How many questions did you get correct? Let me know in the comment section below. And that's it with the first carriage. And after getting my second ticket, it's time to move on to the next carriage. Where the carriage is literally a wonder lab on wheels. And I had to get my third stamp here as well. In this section, I built a bridge which had to safely allow a train to pass underneath it. And here it is. And here's another bridge built on steeper terrain. The next section is about wheels, so this will be the activity that I have to do. Here are my attempts. This one failed horribly. This one got stuck. And this one fell off here. Almost made it. And it's time to move on to the next carriage, about railway futures. Here are various careers you can get relating to the railway. And it's time for the last stamp. Here is a tunnel boring machine, or a TBM, like the one previously mentioned in the video. On the sides here, there's some buttons that activate the tunnel boring machine's various functions and mechanisms. And look, didn't expect to find this here. It's a camera drone that inspects the railway. And I did a little quiz to find out which railway job I'm suitable for. And it turns out I'm suitable as a freight manager. And here is the last carriage, which is themed all about the local line that runs from Hertford East to Broxbourne, which is also called the New River Line, due to it running next to the New River. There really is a lot of beauty and heritage in the towns that serve the New River Line. And here's what I got from the experience. First up, I got a sticker. Then a complimentary ticket which was featured in the video, a rail ale trail booklet to show you the different pubs along the line, a New River Line activity book to show what you can do along the New River, a New River Line magazine to show you like all of the different shops and experiences you can do in different towns along the New River, such as Hertford, Ware and Hoddesdon. And finally, a New River Line colouring book. What an experience! Personally, I really loved this exhibition. There was lots to see, lots of things to interact with, and this exhibition was definitely unique. This was my first ever exhibition on a train. Anyways, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.